KENJI and SAMMY survived the Jurassic World Indominus Rex and Carnotaurus Toro. Keep watching. Welcome to Crazy Dino Toys. Today we'll be opening up our brand new Lego Jurassic World 2021 set. This is a Carnotaurus Dinosaur Chase set 76941, and it includes the Carnotaurus. It includes Owen Grady, KENJI, and SAMMY from Camp Cretaceous. Awesome. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here's a quick look at the back before we open it up. Nice big vehicle, the Carnotaurus, helicopter, KENJI, SAMMY, and Owen. And looks like the helicopter fires. Awesome. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's see what was in there before we put it together. So you have a set of instructions, and this shows you all the new sets. I have all of them except this Duplo one, so they'll all be put together using stop motion animation. So one set of Legos, 2 bags of Legos, 3 bags, 4 bags of Legos, and some stickers. Cool. Okay, so here's the Carnotaurus Dinosaur Chase set 76941, all put together, and includes the awesome Jeep-like vehicle, includes KENJI, SAMMY, Owen, a helicopter, and a brand new awesome Carnotaurus Toro. So first of all, let's check out the vehicle. This is like a 6-wheel Jeep type vehicle. Top comes off, you got the steering wheel and everything inside there. It's got the Jurassic World logo on the front, and then it includes this cool little helicopter which will hold one of the minifigs, so you can have Owen flying to the rescue to rescue KENJI and SAMMY from getting eaten by the Carnotaurus. And it rotates, cool. And then we have the awesome new Carnotaurus Toro, which is like a brown Carnotaurus. Here you can see the wound that Toro has from Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. Like Lego, head moves up and down, sideways, legs click into different positions, tiny little arms, and it could go ahead and eat SAMMY. SAMMY is gone. No, come back, SAMMY. Sammy's like, bad dino, bad dino, bad dino, bad. And SAMMY is gone. One thing I've always wanted to set right is in Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous, where Ben beats the Carnotaurus. That never would have happened in real life. So here's Ben with the shovel. Yeah, stupid Carnotaurus! Yeah! And chop. Down he goes, down the throat. Ben is gone. And yes!
I know, Ben wasn't part of that set, but I had to do that. I've been wanting to do that since I've seen it. So this one we have, this is the only one that has our KENJI minifig. You have the SAMMY minifig with the electric like cattle prod. And she's got her shirt from the show. You have Owen Grady to save them from the Carnotaurus. And in the back there, we have an awesome custom painted chomping INDOMINUS Rex. So this is the cool roaring chomping INDOMINUS, and it's painted to look totally scary. So this one became face to face with the Carnotaurus. It would be like, "Argh!" and it would rip the Carnotaurus's head right off and swallow it down. Okay, remember, you've seen this on Crazy Dino Toys. My first channel was WD Toys. My new videos will be here on Crazy Dino Toys. I have over 100. Check them out now or get eaten by a dinosaur! Subscribe button below this video to see a lot more fun videos. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.